Have you ever witnessed a presentation gone incredibly wrong? Or maybe you've been the one on the stage, battling real hard with technical gremlins or memory blanks. Well, fear not, my fellow Dictopians, because today we're unlocking the secrets to presentations that leave your audience captivated instead of confused. And I have to tell you, this is not your average rehearsal tips video. In this episode, we're talking about the 5 Ps of Presentation Rehearsal, a framework that will transform you from a presentation newbie to a presentation powerhouse. Grab your iced coffee because the summer is here when it's really hot. Subscribe if you haven't already. Get ready for an amazing episode. And just make sure you have a notebook and a pen nearby. Alright guys, I think now it's time to dissect these Ps and unveil the magic formula for an amazing presentation. P1. Practice makes progress and, of course, perfect. Sure, rehearsal is essential, but here's the real secret they don't tell you. Spaced repetition. Don't cram your practice sessions the night before. Instead, spread them out over days or even weeks. This embeds your content in your long-term memory through a process called spaced retrieval. Think of it like planting a seed. Each rehearsal session you do waters that seed, strengthening the neural connections, making your recall smoother, and of course, more confident when the presentation day arrives. P number 2. Perfect your pace. We often rush presentations, cramming information in. But research shows speaking 25% slower than your natural pace is a game changer. It allows your audience to absorb the information, process key points, and take notes. Speaking slower also makes you sound more authoritative, in control, and even reduces your anxiety. It's a win-win for you and your audience. P number 3. Partner up. Rehearsing alone is good, sure, but rehearsing for a real audience is phenomenal. Here's the unheard of tip. Find a mock audience to challenge you. Ask friends, colleagues, or even family members to actively listen, point out unclear sections, and ask tough questions. And this prepares you for the unexpected in a real presentation. Imagine facing a skeptical audience member who throws a curveball question your way. By rehearsing with a challenging mock audience, you'll be able to handle those real-world situations with composure and confidence. P number 4. Play with the platform. Don't wait until the big day to familiarize yourself with the presentation software or hardware. Become best friends with the platform in question beforehand. Practice using the clicker, learn any cool transition effects that can enhance your presentation without being distracting, and anticipate potential tech glitches. A little tech rehearsal goes a long way because it will prevent you from having problems during your presentation. This way, you'll be able to navigate the platform seamlessly, avoiding those awkward fumbling moments that can break your momentum. The last and the 5th P would be the power of positive visualization. Before your presentation, take a few minutes to visualize yourself delivering it flawlessly. Imagine yourself captivating the audience, handling the questions with ease, and of course, receiving a huge round of applause. This mental rehearsal boosts your confidence and sets the stage for success. Visualize yourself making eye contact, using confident body language, and delivering your message with clarity and passion. By priming your mind for success, you'll be surprised at how much smoother your presentation goes. So there you have it, folks. The 5 Ps of Presentation Rehearsal. A powerful framework to banish those presentation jitters and own the stage. And always remember that proper planning prevents poor performance. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more presentation mastery hacks. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys, and I'll see you next week.